This video will show you how to place one of your part files into an Inventor drawing sheet. You're going to start by selecting Base. This will pull open a list of files that you can choose from. Now, the one that I want is already chosen here, but if yours isn't the correct file chosen, just click on the Open Existing File and search for where you have it saved. Notice that when you start, it automatically defaults to your front view. That's the way we want it. And then you need to choose what other views you want to place. Now, kind of the standard views that we have are our top view, our front view, our right side view, and then an isometric. Okay, so that's our standard. Once you've placed the views you want, you just right click and select OK, and it'll place them for you. Now there's a couple things you're going to notice about how I have my views placed right now. First of all, they're kind of cluttered on the right side of the page. So you can click and drag to move them around. Notice that when you move your front view, it's going to move the top view and the right view in turn. You might also notice here that my front view and right view look exactly the same. If you have two views that look identical, it's okay to delete one of them. You always want to leave the front view in. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and delete my right. The isometric will move independently, so if you want to drag that down so there's no overlap in that corner, you can. And then we do want to get in the habit of shading our isometrics. So to shade a piece, you right-click and select Edit View, and then you just select, here is the Shaded button, hit OK, and that'll shade it for you. Now let's say your views when they first came out were too big or too small. You can also change the size by right-clicking and selecting Edit View, and change the scale. So right now it's 0.11 to 1 is my current ratio. Let's say I want to change that to 0.15. Notice how it makes that view a little bit bigger. And when you change your front view size, it will change the other views that are connected. Let's say that you forgot a view. You realize, shoot, I need a bottom view for this piece. The way you add views is you click on the front view, then on Projected, and you could click to whichever view you needed to add. That's how you add the basic top, front, right, and isometric views. And then going forward, we'll show you what you can do to add some specialty views if you have a really complicated piece.